Welcome to Meditation 103. We're just going to bust a couple of myths. In my last video, I said meditation is not clearing your mind and it's not turning your brain off. I got a couple of comments saying that that is incorrect. And I just want to kind of clear that up because everyday people are really just looking to connect with themselves. And I want to put a couple of disclaimers out there, like you can meditate sitting, standing, consciously, subconsciously. You can do that by expressing yourself in writing, drawing, dancing. The idea is clearing your mind is kind of impossible when you think about it. Like it's literally turning all of your neurotransmitters off. It's going brain dead essentially. So instead, what I would say is that we are quieting our mind. You know, we're able to detach from the conversation of that negative voice in our head or that negative neutral voice in our head and really get lost in being in the present moment. So clearing your mind versus quieting your mind, you know, coming to a point where your mind is clear because you're not attached to that voice is what we're really talking about here. We're not talking about reaching this very highly sought after state of enlightenment where you can turn off your brain and sit in nothingness and that be the entire point. You know, really the point is connecting with yourself, getting to know yourself, being able to get lost in the present moment, get lost in yourself, deal with and confront the thoughts that are going around, asking yourself certain questions like, why is this coming up, as opposed to being responsive to it. So I just wanted to kind of make a couple things clear, and I hope that this also is educational. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate the love, the comments, the feedback. Go check out my store. I can't wait to connect with you guys again.